Hi, I'm JT with WTI, and today I want to tell you what I like about this Micol Cordless vacuum. I needed to vacuum the sand out of our car from a recent beach trip, and I find that vacuuming a car is a great test. I was able to vacuum the whole car on a single charge. Most of the time, the medium speed setting was plenty to get the sand and debris off of the carpets. There were a couple times where I bumped it up to the highest speed to get into the deep crevices. It did way better in the car than my previous cordless vacuums. My wife liked the wall mount charging port, which keeps it out of the way and charged when you need it. I like how you can choose the speed based on your needs, and this helps to conserve battery life. I found that the medium speed was all I needed for most situations. I also like how the dust compartment easily releases with the touch of a button, so you don't have to take the entire vacuum over to the garbage can. I like how all three of the attachments that are included click firmly into place and are easy to release. I also like that the pole for the floor attachment is adjustable to your own height. I also like that it was easy to remove the spinning brush without using any tools so that you can clear away hair. The vacuum worked well on our plank flooring, again using the medium setting most of the time. One thing that I found interesting was that while vacuuming in low light conditions, the light actually helped me to see debris a lot easier than with the lights on. Not that I'm recommending you vacuum with the lights off. So if you're looking for a cordless vacuum with a brushless motor that balances power with battery longevity, I think this Micol Cordless vacuum won't disappoint. And that's my point of view.